Right, hi everyone, Aidan here. I'm absolutely devastated I didn't have the video running because, well, cut a long story short, this is my first rig and I've had the video on and off as I've been going, filming problems actually is what I was trying to do, filming problems, and I didn't have it fucking plugged in just now. I've just got a new PSU because my two PSUs weren't man enough to do. First I bought a 600, then I bought a 750, and now I bought a 1600, and that's not fucking man enough neither. But anyway, that's not the point. I've got these risers from, I bought them off of Amazon. I don't know who they're from, but I hope you can see that now. I've just plugged it in and one of them's fucking blown up. One of these, what are they, transistors, or they're not resistors, I don't know what the fuck they are, but it just exploded, man. One of them blew clean off and another one's blown into the riser, or into the express slot. So I'm fucked if I know what happened there. I haven't got a proper push button. I don't know if it was, fuck knows, but it went bang. So I'm hoping I haven't fried my cards. You can see the shit that's come out of, can you see that? You can see the shit that came out of the transistor or resistor or whatever the fuck it is. So I'm going to get another one here and plug another one in. And the foolish part of me is inclined to use the same one because I've got two different types. I've got these are the more expensive ones in actual fact, which have got a variety of different ways that you can power them up. They've got Molex, they've got two types of 6 pins, and they've got the USB. So God blimey, yeah man, that was a little bit spooky, eh? But we're going to plug her in and have another go. Hopefully it's not going to blow up this time, but if it is, we've got the video running, so we'll see what happens there, man. But how bad's my luck, you know what I mean? I didn't have the fucking, excuse my language, I didn't have the film running when I wanted it. Doesn't really smell, can't smell nothing, but yeah, I mean, it shot up like a bang! Yeah, I hope it hasn't fucked this card. This card's brand new. Brand spanking new. So I'm not a very happy bunny. Not a very happy bunny at all. How you all doing anyway? I hope you're having a nice day. So yeah, this first rig, it's given me nothing but, well, it's not been giving me grief, you know, but you plod along, don't you, and you have all sorts of problems, and that's all the fun of it, I suppose, getting it started, getting it fixed, having dramas, having to order more stuff, more money, but yeah, it's all fun and games, I suppose. Where's me these now? That's not that one. That's what we're running it off. So, try this again. Yeah, I can't believe I didn't have the film going, man. That definitely would have got a few hits, I think. Someone would have picked it up. And I hope it doesn't do it again, like. But if it does, we have got video evidence this time. But obviously I really do hope it doesn't happen. plugged in. That's plugged in. So at the minute we've just got. Now I'll tell you what's just happened. Like I say, I've just bought this other 1600 watt thing. I've got two 2080 Ti's, and this is a 1660 Super, isn't it? Yeah, that's the 2080 over there. Well, that's the 2080 there. That's the 1660 Super, this. Or is it? No, it's the 2080. Sorry, tell a lie. No, the 2060. What am I talking about? That's the 2060. So two 2080s and a 2060. Now, that 1600 watts should be more than enough. I think it was running at just under 400 watts before with the two 2080s. And that's what it did to it, like, it blew it up. Bang! So now we're going to go with this. What are we going with? This one over here, the 2060. So we want to get the 2060 hash in as well. Now that's not the card because I've had the card running before with a different PSU. And I've got 3 extra fans plugged into the power supply unit. So here we go again. I do hope and pray that that was a 40 PS or a 40 PCIe riser because I don't bloody want to be blowing up too many things, fam. Because dead money ain't great money. So here we go again. Fuck me dead. Well, I hope you caught that, mate. Fucking hell, rude boy. Fucking hell, fam. That's another one gone. That is another one gone. What's that saying anyway? $625 watts, it says. Same thing happened, exactly the same thing. Same same thing in me bob. Same bit of damage. Fuck knows, eh? Maybe I'll plug the riser into a Molex cable. I think that might be best. Maybe send these back to Amazon. Blood clot. I'll let you know, guys.